want to start a new vlog, family. Welcome back to a new vlog. Last week when I came to church, it was announced that there is going to be a potluck or a family get together today. I came not prepared, but look at what I'm seeing there. Guys, see where we are going to have the feast. I don't think I'll eat anything, but then I just want to be part because everybody is saying I should be part. So I'll be around and capture the beautiful moment for you. This setup is more than a wedding reception. Hey, my people, look at what I am seeing. So the students are going to the cafeteria for their lunch, and then the mother church will sit here to enjoy ourselves. They cater for all these listed here. And then this side for the drinks, I guess. Yes. I guess right. So this side will be for the drinks. Madam, I love your decor.
Thank you.
Students life. Students life. No, no. I realized it wasn't straight afterwards, but then very soon we would repaint the living room. So when that is done, I will set it right. Whenever I sweep, I look out for cobwebs and also make sure to sweep and mop every room. I was dancing to Jesus Oyemebo Tentim. I couldn't share that with you because of copyright. To my mop bucket, I added water, powdered soap, and antiseptic. So my feet was giving me greater vibes. Me see, so the nutmeg to me name say chair a bit fiko. So I decided afterwards to have a self-care. So what I have in is warm water. This one is not warm, hot water. So after this, I'm going to apply CB soap. I don't know the component, but for me and Rama, we believe it's Yomo Samana. I had wanted to catch up on videos, but I could only watch Ogom series and Imelda's kitchen because of commenting. Yeah, when you watch a video, you have to leave your thoughts. But for Yasmin, she's looking for her watch hours. So I decided to run her playlist rather. Usually, I do this part with a blade and not a blade stick. But I decided to employ the blade stick whether to say there will be a difference. And trust me, there wasn't any difference, but then this one was much safer. So moving forward, this is how I'll be doing it. I got rid of all the dead cells or the dead skin. I always follow it up with this scrub because if you don't do that, the least you leave in your foot can cause an accident. It is very slippery. This is me after freshening up. I am running Taste and Bloom. Yeah, so if you are hearing noise at the background, it's coming from her videos. Okay, I am super hungry because yesterday when I went for the program at church, I only had soup, about one ladle of soup with akoko. That is the best part of chicken. Yeah, I like the bony part of chicken. So that was what I had. Then I came home again to have soup. This time around about 2, yes, because that was what was left, about quantum 2 ladles of soup with one of these breads. So there are 3. So I broke one from this one and had as my brunch, whatever. Yeah, so that was all I had yesterday, and I am super hungry, I will not lie. But in the meantime, I want to snack on this. I made it for mommy. She's still not here, so I have to enjoy. So I am done with the fried rice. You saw the amount I ate. Yes, me one year did.
Cook for about 5 minutes. Take them out. Add one.
I know that charging the phone and using it at the same time is not good, but I have removed the SIM from the phone I am filming with into this so that the data do not go waste. It's on low battery, but because I'm using this, I have no better option than to let it run concurrently. I mean, charge it and also do this with it. But I'll be done in the jiffy with this video so that I can put back the SIM card into, so that I can bring the SIM here and charge the other one. Okay, so where was I before I ran out of storage? Okay, so I want to train my body and give it what I think is best or what I have. I don't want to continue with that cycle of eating only fufu. Right now, I feel like having fufu. The rice I took, I still feel the desire to satisfy myself with something better and not that fried rice that I just ate. But then I won't eat anything. But gari is the zeal to have gari. Hey, I'll get over this thing soon, I know it. But then check my video on the addiction and see what my daddy wrote. He said he's also addicted to fufu, so he ate fufu in the morning and he's going to eat fufu again in the evening. My father and my mother, when it comes to fufu, they are the perfect match. But nowadays my mother can go 3 days 4 days without fufu. But looking at what my daddy wrote today, I think said so he needs baptism. He needs to be weaned from eating food anyways. Okay, so anyways, in Dinah's voice, so anyways, I am done with everything that I need to do today. What is left is the dishes. Yeah, so I am coming to do the dishes and go and continue sewing until I drop another video on your screens again. This is me saying thank you for watching from the beginning up to this time. If you skipped this one, thank you for skipping. Why? God bless you. I'll see you again in my next video.